Okay guys, so today I'm going to experiment with liquid seaweed to help get my pepper started. They say it makes them germinate quicker or better, but we're going to check it out. I don't really believe it. We're going to find out. So this is how I start my peppers. You're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a Ziploc bag. You're going to need a paper towel. You need some magic markers. You're going to need some pepper seeds. First thing you're going to want to do is get your pepper seeds. Now I save my peppers. If you get them in a package, that's fine too. I prefer to save my peppers because I get better peppers every year. This is the 10th or 12th year that I've kept these peppers. And each year I get larger yields from my peppers. I believe that they adapt to their surroundings. So I have cool evenings and a short growing season. So it kind of forces them to grow faster. So this variety of Thai hots has kind of adapted to my region. Anybody who wants to be a serious gardener, I believe, should try to save some of their seeds. I know that some of the big seed corporations have filed legislation to try to keep us from saving our seeds, but you know, fight the man. So anyways, get all your seeds out. You set them aside and grab your plastic bag and write down what you're putting into this bag. So in this case, I'm writing Thai hot. And then I will write the date, which I believe today's the 29th. Thai hot. I like these big old fat markers because it's just easier for me to see and they write better on the plastic. Okay. So I've got two here, a red and a black. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a little experiment, and you can follow along with me and try to keep up with my experiment, see how it turns out. Again, I'm going to write the date, and the experiment is 2/9, right? Black on my fingers. I'm going to use seaweed emulsion, or liquid seaweed. I made up a few of these already, and I'm going to see if the liquid seaweed will germinate these any faster or better than just using regular water. I've been told that it does. I don't really believe it 100%, but I'm going to find out, and you can find out with me. I'm going to take my water and I'm going to spray this paper towel down. Now you don't want to hose it, you want to dampen it. So I like these kind of textured paper towels because you can kind of see how much water you're putting in it. So you can just dampen this paper towel. There we go, dampen it. There we are. Just damp. It's not soaked, but damp. Now I'm going to fold this in half. It's kind of translucent. You can see the seeds underneath. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of fold it up like a little burrito for now. Then I'm going to take my bag, one of my bags, I made up a few, And I'm going to pop my peppers in there. And the reason I folded it up in a burrito because it's kind of hard to get them in here flat. Now then I'm going to unfold a little burrito, and I don't know that it makes any difference, so you could probably just leave it folded up. It might be easier for you. But I like to do this because then I can see the seeds through this translucent paper and plastic, and I can get a gauge for what's going on with the seed a little bit better. It's kind of a pain to unfold these, but that's just me. This is how I do it. So, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of better ways to do it. There's a million ways to skin a cat, they say, or something like that. I don't know. I think there's probably only one way to skin a cat, but hey. And that's it, guys. I did 6 packages total. Half were with seaweed emulsion and half were with just regular water. 10 seeds per package. So in 2 weeks we'll check them out. After I finished, I just took them and put them in the window seal so that the ambient sunlight and warmth could germinate them. And that's how I do it. So thanks for watching my video. And if you like my video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see me do more content like that, like this, hit the subscribe. It helps encourage me to make more videos and try to find better content. See you next time.